Up for sale, 1972 Jaguar XJ6. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. 72 XJ6, finished in silver with blue interior. Lifelong California car up until about a year ago. Now with a 350 motor and 350 trans. Power steering, power disc brakes, AC, power windows, leather seats. And as always, walk around it, point out what I see, and then we'll drive it. So we will start here in the front. The bright work and the paint in the front is very nice here, as you see. A couple little blemishes there, and the bumper is shiny. However, it looks like there's just a little bit of marking on it, as you see there. A couple little marks. The paint quality, which you'll see, is very nice actually. Just a couple little miscellaneous guys from use. The 350 is finished with like a British racing green with Jaguar valve covers and whatnot, and it's pretty cool. It looks great in the car. Couple little miscellaneous marks there. Little chip right there. And I know you see this little black down here. It looks like something splattered on it, but I know that can come off. I couldn't do it by hand. So a little buffing tool would take it right off. Keep going here. Oh, all the glass is in excellent condition. Window moldings, trim around the window, stuff like that. Those are all super nice. So let me pop the hood here. There you go. There's the 350 AC, power disc brakes, power steering below the AC, 4-barrel carb, of course. Nice engine compartment. And by putting the 350 in there, you're getting rid of a lot of those issues that would come with the original Jaguar motors. So underhood's nice as well. So we'll keep going. We'll hop in the car now. Oh, top of the car. Very nice. That wood grain on the dash is really, really nice. And all the gauges actually look very nice as well. Nice steering wheel. Let me zoom back out. Nice console here. Power window switches there. Oh, it's got the one visor here. This one's missing it. Dash pad, no cracks in it. It's probably been replaced considering it was in California, and you know what that sun does. Really nice back seat here. Nice door jamb as well. State of California tag on there too. That was 97. So that's a nice little piece of history for the car. Hop in. Backs of the seats look pretty good. Little rear AC vent. That's cool. It's ahead of its time. and probably the original headliner. Little poked hole right there. A couple other little miscellaneous guys. Very nice condition still. This was Oakland Police Officers Association. There's no date on it, but another little piece of history for the car. Dual gas tanks. Give me 1 second here, I gotta pause this and respond to a text. Alright, we're back. As you'll see here, other than that, there's some light marking on there, but much nicer than the front here. A little bit there, not as much there, and the outer on this side is really nice. There's your California plate registered to the car until, well, a few months ago in 21. Little chip right there, probably from closing the trunk. Nice fitment of the trunk though. Oh, right here, a little bit of bubbles on this rear window seal, or outer window seal. Nice there. And then I saw it, a little mark in the paint, and another little guy right there. Trunk finished the way it should be, with like the carpet kit, whatnot. Side pieces there, jack, tool kit. That's the front visor, other tool kit. Yeah. Right. Keep going. Few bubbles right on that lip there. That's probably a common thing then for these cars. Little mark right there. It will be up for sale later today on the website nextgenclassiccars.com and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. 72 XJ6, silver with blue interior, lifelong California car, 350 and 350 trans, power steering, power disc brakes, AC, power windows, leather seats, dual gas tanks. A little baby stone chip right there. A little, looks like a little mark in the paint right there. So we will fire it up now and then drive it.